I'm 16 and I live in Italy, and I go in a boarding school for cross country, and I live near Austria and Slovenia, so I do I started when I was 3 because I would like to know how go on the rollerblade, but my first coach asked me if I would like to start to do ski, and I say why not, and I started and I never give up. So I never done cross country. My first Olympic dream started when I was like 6. And because I always would like to go in Olympics game, and I always like to represent in Kenya, and I always work for this dream, and because it's my native country, and I feel Kenya in my heart, so I'm so proud to represent in Kenya.